Welcome back to another episode of Keto Naturopath Kitchen. And again, you've probably noticed we have separated the cooking from the other Keto Naturopath videos. So please like, subscribe to both, hit the notification button so you don't miss an episode. Keto Naturopath Kitchen will be all of the cooking videos, and Keto Naturopath is Dr. Karl doing his data-driven analysis of everything. So today we're doing keto Sicilian almond cookies. I am Sicilian, 100%, second generation, so I like to cook Italian stuff. So here we are, Sicilian almond cookies. What we have in here are 2 egg whites, and I've separated the egg whites from the egg yolks. I have saved the egg yolks. I have several egg yolk recipes, so you'll have to check them out. But we're going to beat them until they form a stiff peak. As you can see, they're stiff peaks. It's not wet any longer. I used to be very afraid to cook with whipped egg whites. Now, piece of cake. So to this, you're going to add 175 grams of xylitol. The longer we've been keto, the less I like sweet things. So right now I'm just putting in 100 grams because we really don't like sweet things, and I like it better a little less than. And I'm going to put in a teaspoon of almond extract. And also 250 grams of pork rind flour. I like to use pork rind flour. I don't really like using nut flours. You could use almond flour. If you use almond flour, you can omit the almond extract, and you just combine all of these ingredients. I use pork rind flour a lot in substitution for nut flours. We try to limit our consumption of nuts. I will tend to gain weight if I use too many nuts or nut butters, nut flours. So pork rind flour is the perfect substitution for me. I make my own pork rind flour, and I have a video out there on how to make your own pork rind flour. I just buy Max pork rinds from Walmart or Sam's Club brand and put it in the food processor, and voila, pork rind flour. You can buy it already made. I saw some at Walmart yesterday that's already made, but it's so easy to make your own and more economical. There, the batter, it's all combined, and as you can see, it's all combined. So what we're going to do is, I have lined baking sheet with parchment paper, and I have 2 baking sheets lined just in case it takes more than 1 sheet. And I'm using my cookie scoop. This is 1.5 tablespoons. What you can do is put some in your hand, roll it up in a ball, and put it on the cookie sheet. I've been enjoying using my cookie scoop, but I press it down to make sure that it forms a good ball. These don't really spread, but I'm going to be giving them enough room anyway, since I have 2 cookie sheets planned. And by pressing it down, it compacts everything so you don't get flaky cookies. There probably is a method to do this that you don't have to use your hands, but oh well. All right, so that's 12. What you're going to do is then you're going to press them down slightly. I think in the second pan, I might leave some as balls to see what happens. I think if you press it against the bowl, it probably compacts itself, but this way I can actually feel and make sure that it's compact. Now, if you roll them yourself by using 1 tablespoon, it comes out with 24 cookies. This is 1.5 tablespoons. That one has to be pressed together a little better. So this made 21 by using the 1.5 tablespoon scoop. Press them down. I am going to leave some. These first 3 I'll probably leave with the domes. So, got to wash my hands. So now you're going to put these in a 260 degree oven. Yes, 260 degree Fahrenheit oven. And you're going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. I'm going to check them at 15 minutes to see how they are. So we'll see you back in 15 to 20 minutes. So I had these in the oven for 20 minutes at 260 degrees, and they've been cooling for 5 minutes. So this is what they look like on a plate. And this is on the pan. Now this one is the one I kept in a ball and I didn't flatten. The others are flattened. So now, I haven't tasted them yet. They're still a little warm. It would be better if you let them cool completely, but I can't wait that long. So here goes. They're soft and chewy. Taste like almond. They're amazing. If you hear some whining in the background, it's just my cats. And they sometimes misbehave. But that's just the way it is. What I'm going to do with these, because we'll just sit here and eat all of the cookies. So I'm going to freeze them. I will put this sheet pan in the freezer for like an hour or 2. And once they've hardened, I'll just put them in a vacuum seal bag and vacuum seal them and take them out as we wish. So, Sicilian almond cookies.